How you doing? My name is Norm Schriever. I'm with Unity Financial Solutions, and I'm here to give a great testimonial for Jason Everett and Sales Partners. I could reach out to people, I could talk to people, I could sell, quote unquote. But in my business, there was no firm ground. Everything was changing, regulations, products. Within a 2-year span, it was like a roller coaster. I met Jason a couple of years ago, and he was very persistent, always seeing him at events, and you should try some of my programs, my 1-day, my 6-week. I said, yeah, but I'm doing okay. And now that I'm working with Jason you will always be doing okay. You're never going to get above a certain level unless you invest in yourself. There's been other factors that have declined my income. My commission with this office is a little less. There's less we can take on. So those compensating things, if you look at it, I've weathered that storm, where in the past it would have completely wrecked my whole business. I've weathered that storm and been completely consistent. My results working with Jason have been great. You don't know what you don't know, and that's where Jason and Sales Partners can fill in the gaps. My sales numbers have gone up, I'm converting more leads, actually working less hours for more profit, and doing a better job for the client, and that is so important. We're putting in place things in the foundation of my business that are actually going to help the sales increase. And it's not just going to be a 5 or 10% increase. They're going to double probably within, by the end of the year. I've evolved from the 1-day class to the 6-week class, and now on a year contract, and I see myself working with them for a long time. So you want to be successful and really boost your business and take the next step, I highly recommend you talk to Jason and Sales Partners. Thanks a lot.